Hey guys, what's up to JD's Planet? I'm JD here, so I have someone to introduce someone. We decided to team up anyway. I'm gonna introduce my brother. His name is Caleb Goosen. He has the same hair like me, I have gold, and I don't know why, because I was born like that. Anyway, I have to introduce someone. What's up, guys? What's up? I'm with him, God, JD's Planet. Come on, just say introduce someone. Introduce my subscribers, come on. Yeah, I'm with him, JD's Planet, so we make videos like fun, happier, smile, yeah, like anything like that. We team up, so yeah, something like that. We did introduce team up, yeah, we did, because we have to team up on YouTube channel to grow, yeah. So, I introduced him. He already introduced himself, because I said to him, we have to team up, to make our YouTube channel growing. So, I'm gonna make sure he has a lot of
Please don't forget to subscribe, JD's Planet, and don't forget when we post this one, please like and leave a comment letting us know what's your favorite episode.
Exactly, yeah, just like that. I'm gonna, I have so many ideas to make YouTube channel, but this is our first YouTube to show our face reveal.
And we're showing, yes, and we're doing this because we want to let you guys know how we look like.
Yeah, sure, because, he's gonna make a lot of information that give out ideas, so just like that. So yeah.